Don't tell me what to do. I'm feeling a bit cheeky, just like with my first car. It's time to put a pod filter on it. I'm just doing this for some intake noise, just to spice up the kind of boring sounding GTS a little bit. So I got a K&N angled filter and a K&N sticker. That's most important too. We then took off the stock airbox, which was quite a battle. It doesn't want to come off that easily. Or maybe I just tried it at the wrong angle, I don't know. It's not like I'm gonna have to put it back on anyway. So initially I was gonna run it with the original air filter tube, which means it would be sitting off to the side so I can reuse the seat bucket. I rerouted some cables and made it work. Even over there to the side, there's good clearance to the frame. It kind of looks cool, but it's very, very hidden too. It does sound great. Even though it's not quite tuned yet, I was gonna tune it with a Force Master too. I was really a big fan of the angled air filter tube, so I just mounted it straight onto the throttle body. Now this means I can use a seat bucket right now, but we'll sort that out when we get there. The exhaust that was on this thing was actually in really good shape. There's not a speck of rust on it. However, there's no way I was going to keep that on there. So off it goes, and I don't want to say off to the trash, but come on, it goes in a deep dark corner somewhere in the shop, and I'm not gonna look at it for a while. So the goal here is to take a Remus Silencer off of my wife's KTM Duke and put it on this bike. This is what it sounded like on the Duke. Sorry. So in order to bridge the gap between the silencer and the downpipe, I made this little angled piece. In the middle, the end piece I slotted 4 ways so I can use the original clamp. The new mid pipe was made out of several angled sections, and I needed to roll a cone to bridge the gap to the silencer. So on my little shears, I calculated and cut a cone. Then I slip rolled it and tack welded it on to make sure everything fits. The end piece towards the silencer has been machined down on the lathe, so there's a nice slip fit. I then added 2 spring holders and then covered the whole thing in high temperature paint to prevent it from rusting. On the end here you can see a new exhaust gasket and a way I can reuse the original clamp. I also made a little spacer to mount it on the original swing arm, and this is what it sounds like. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one where we discuss color combos, and then I'll show you the end result. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you then.